Hello everyone, welcome to PMN Online. In this tutorial, we will learn how to use discount code on Gumroad. Let's face it, who doesn't love a good discount? Whether you're a creator looking to entice more buyers with special offers, or a savvy shopper hunting for deals, knowing how to effectively use discount codes on Gumroad is a game changer. Gumroad is a widely used platform for selling and purchasing digital products and services, and being able to navigate its discount feature can significantly enhance your buying or selling experience. So let's unravel this process step by step and make sure you can confidently apply discount codes on Gumroad. To begin, you first need to access the Gumroad platform. Open up your preferred web browser and in the search bar, type in Gumroad or go directly to gumroad.com. Once the homepage is fully loaded, your next move is to locate the login button. Usually, you'll find this in the upper right-hand corner of the screen. It's a simple click that kickstarts your login process. Now, when it comes to logging in, Gumroad offers a convenient option for those who prefer a quick sign-in method. If you have a Google account, you can choose to log in using Google. This method is particularly handy because it eliminates the need to remember yet another password. Simply select your Google account from the list presented, or if necessary, enter your credentials. This streamlines the login process, saving you both time and effort. Once you're successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on your dashboard. Take a moment here to get comfortable with the layout, since this area contains various tools and options that will help you manage your Gumroad account. It's your control center for everything, from products to sales, and of course, discounts. Now, let's navigate to the checkout section. You can think of this as the hub for all things related to transactions. Typically, you can find checkout in your account menu. Clicking on this ensures that you're in the right place to manage purchases and discounts. When you're in the checkout section, scroll down a little until you spot the New Discount button. This is where the magic truly begins. Clicking on New Discount will open up the Discount Creation panel. Here, you start by giving your discount a meaningful name. For example, you might call it Summer Sale or Holiday Discount. Naming your discount helps in organizing and tracking, especially if you plan to run multiple offers simultaneously. Next, you'll move on to customizing the actual discount code. This is the code your customers will enter at checkout to receive the discount. Make it memorable or relevant to your campaign so it's easy to remember. After setting up the code, proceed to the product section. Here, you decide which products this discount will apply to. You can choose to apply the discount to individual products or opt for a blanket discount across all your products, depending on your promotional strategy. Finally, determine the discount percentage you want to offer. Enter the percentage carefully. While a larger discount might attract more buyers, it's essential to consider how it will affect your profit margins. Once you've set everything up to your liking, click on Add Discount. This action finalizes your discount offer, making it available for customers to use during their purchase. And just like that, you've mastered how to apply a discount code on Gumroad. This feature can be a powerful tool to boost your sales or save some money while shopping. Thanks for tuning in to PMN Online, and happy selling or shopping on Gumroad. Hopefully, you now have a better understanding of how to use discount code on Gumroad. For more step-by-step tutorials and guides, subscribe to PMN Online and never miss an update.